Number 16, observe details. You want to know your character on a deeper level. Take them someplace they've never gone and ask them for three things that surprise them. For example, let's say you have a character who's a subject matter expert. Go ahead and let him go to a TV studio, the local affiliate of some major network perhaps, to be interviewed live about his field of expertise. He's pretty excited. Afterwards, ask him what surprised him. Number one is probably going to be the lighting, that it was nearly pitch black. And then they flipped a switch, the lights came on, and he was totally blinded. Number two, there are cables snaking around the floor. That's an accident waiting to happen. And then finally, the anchor was drop dead gorgeous, but she wore more makeup than he thinks he's ever seen on a woman. And it didn't look that way at all when you watch her on TV at home. All three surprised him. Now, none of this may end up in your book, but if you actually end up taking him to be interviewed live, maybe the lighting will be relevant. What happens during that moment of utter blackness? Does he forget what he was going to say? Or does he just blink him way back to normal? Does he tough it out? How does he react? It will inform you because it's a very specific detail. I know you can do this, and I'd love to hear what you come up with. I read all of the responses. Even better, would you record a video of your response and upload it? Use hashtag #BeatTheBotsBook and tag me so I can amplify your voice because your voice matters. Your empathy, your understanding, your skill at observations, you matter. You are creative, and that's what the book is about. If you've come to this video any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, a writer's guide to thriving, surviving in the age of AI, I hope you'll take a look at the book. It talks about 12 science-based creativity tactics to help you take your innate storytelling ability and draft material that is filled with humanity, with innovation, that is, in fact, creative. And that's how we beat the bots. Would you ask your librarian to get the book on the shelf? Your local bookseller, too. I'd be so appreciative. Thank you.